Kirk's doing a demo with someone who's new to binding. He's going to show them how to make turns, where to start a rug, how to finish it.
So if you're going to start on one side and just go all the way down, then you can do the other side and then cross them over, and then you just have to glue them down like that. Okay. Okay. So if you want to make a turn, you can start anywhere. If you're going to make a turn, always, if you're going to put a carpet in, make sure the needle is up. Never run it without this being down. All right. Like this. And when you get to the end, you want to turn it by hand. Okay. You see how the needle goes left and right? Mm-hmm. Okay. You want to get the needle down on its last time on its left. Leave it down. Give this some slack.
Pull out the tape a little bit.
Lift this up.
Hold on. Lift up your feed wheels.
Turn the corner. Okay. Then before you put it down, you lift the needle up. Make sure you get it in the right spot. Okay. You might want to take a couple of turns. Put the wheel down. And get it done. Okay. And then so if you're going to cross the corners, just do like that. Put a little glue down there. This looks nicer though.
Yeah. See, a lot of times if you want to do all four corners the same, you'll start your binding in the middle of a side. If it's just like
Just
you did
not
it
on the corner. Doesn't have to be in the middle, but just not on the corner.
Start in the middle, and then when you get around that fourth turn, you go past it,
Cut the tape and keep running.
cut the tape, keep running, put a little dab of glue to hold it, and all four corners look identical.
Yeah.
If the corners, you have three corners that look the same and one that is a cut off and tap,
Yeah.
no, not good. But on a runner, you do that cut method and tuck, and you're good to go.
So perfect. So if we're gonna do that turn, start in the middle. And then
Yeah.
just go around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then sometimes in the corners, if the thread will miss on the bottom, so you just put a little dab of glue like that, and you're done.
Perfect. Now, one time we took this carpet from Shaw to the guy that does our bindings, and it was a carpet that it has the blue backing,
Yes.
and he called us and he's like, hey, my machine is not taking, like, it doesn't have the power to go through this. Like, is this?
There are times where you might need a table model.
Okay.
You could always sub it out to somebody.
I know what carpet he's talking about.
Okay.
This shouldn't have a problem to do it.
Okay.
Are they getting a 7/8 or inch and a quarter?
7/8.
Okay.
They're just starting. If you guys get heavier rugs,
Yeah, no.
we can get you wider tape, but you don't want to spend that money now.
Yeah.
But if you get a real thick rug,
Just sub it out.
yeah.
So the one with the blue backing, it's a waterproof backing. That's what it is. So you could, this will do it. Okay, it shouldn't have a problem to do it.
Adam, could you bring me the NC311 here, please? The hand shear?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right there. Bring it here. Thank you, sir. Okay, with the starter package that you guys just got,
You're gonna get that.
you're going to get this. This is just a glorified barber tool. That's all it is. So if you have a high-piled carpet, like this one's not high, that's nothing. But if you get something like this, that's very tall, you're going to take your sheep shear, you're going to plug it in, you're going to bevel the edge and just hold it at a 45-degree angle and just shear it down, just at the absolute edge. Why? So the tape can wrap around easy and complete the rug. So it'll look pretty and it won't miss.
Okay.
Anytime that, swing this machine around real quick. Anytime that your carpet pile height, scissor, anytime that your carpet pile height is taller than the opening of the attachment, that's a great indication that you need to shear the edge and bevel. All right?